This is so much more than just a cocktail menu. Imagine all the stories you can tell. The Spice Girls and Aretha Franklin walk into a bar. Hi everybody, I'm Sabine Lenz, the founder of PaperSpecs, with your weekly dose of paper inspiration. Here's my recipe for the perfect print cocktail. Start with a clear vision, add some eye-catching art, stir in some bursts of interactivity, and garnish it with some out-and-out creative insanity. This seems to be the recipe that Rivington Buy and Boss Print have followed to the letter when creating this delightful off-the-wall cocktails menu for London's Scarves Bar, with a little help of Tupac Shakur, the Red Hot Chili Peppers, and some other friends, of course. Located just a stone's throw from London's Covent Garden, this jazz-fueled watering hole is a living tribute to the artwork of founder Gerald Scarfe, whose cartoons and illustrations have adorned everything from The New Yorker to the album and film for the Pink Floyd classic The Wall. When it came time to design this cocktails menu, the design team at Rivington Buy dreamed up a unique way to bring the musical celebrity creature Scarfe supplied to glorious life. Based on the look of a Victorian toy theater, this cocktails menu is both more and less complicated than it looks. The creative team began by constructing a cartoon version of the bar itself inside a thin wood-ply slipcase, which was wrapped in 160-gram Fedrigoni Splendorgel. Now hold on to your hats, folks, because this is where it starts to get brilliant. They then duplex laminated 9 digitally printed cocktail cards, printed on 270-gram Splendorgel, onto black cardboard and subjected them to stunningly precise laser cuts. These were then stacked and inserted into the slipcase. Each card contains a different cocktail type based on the genre of music, including funk, pop, and rock. Pulling the tab on any of these slides out the card to reveal not only the drinks on offer under pop, let's say, but it also slides on stage a scarf-drawn caricature of a famous artist from that genre. In this example, the Spice Girls. The level of detail involved here is simply breathtaking. A combination of dye and laser cutting were used to create the stage and cards, which were silk laminated for additional protection and to ensure easy sliding of the pieces. Amazingly, the whole magical arrangement of the cards is held together by just 4 Chicago screws that run through the cut grooves of the cards. Boss Print has much to be proud of here, considering the level of precision necessary to make this all come off without a hitch. It wouldn't be an exaggeration to say one wrong note would have sent everyone into a funk. The lesson learned here, though, is never underestimate the power of a Chicago screw. If you're a PaperSpecs Pro member, get the ins and outs, tips and tricks about screw binding. Find them at PaperSpecs.com under the Pros Only tab. Did you enjoy this video? Then please subscribe to our channel. Of course, it would be amazing if you share with all your friends. And keep sending me your fabulous printed pieces. I love to feature them.